show you how to do this hijab style. So if you love it, keep watching. Today the weather is raining, so I'm wearing first like one. Okay, let's start.
I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you please, I'm on my knees if that's what you want me to. Never knew that it will go so far. Why you left me on that boulevard? Come again, you will release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it isn't real, that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we will be happy together. Never knew that it will go so far. Why you left me on that boulevard? Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Maybe
The back. Okay, it's so simple, right? Less than 3 minutes. So this hijab you can use for any party. But today I'm going to study. I need to go to my campus. Okay. Next my tutorial. See you. Bye bye.